My name is Justin Franklin. I am the president and owner of Kadon Precision Machining in Rockford, Illinois. We are a contract manufacturing, emphasizing in hydraulics, aerospace, and we have been a Citizen user since 1998, transitioning from a multi-spindle screw machine house into the CNC Swiss. During that transition, we tried several brands, ultimately settling on the Citizen. It was the ease of use from setting up, programming. Our guys on the shop floor find that the controller is the easiest to use out of the other brands. Citizen's also consistently been innovative in new technologies such as LFV, which we have on the floor. Then moving their controller over to their Miyano brand, we have started buying Miyanos to take our fixed headstock work as well as our Swiss work. Not only having a quality machine, but a quality dealer is what's made Citizen what it is in our shop. LG Evans has consistently supported us with service, with application support. Recently moving facilities, they were integral in moving and resetting up our machines. I can't say enough about having a distributor that knows our business, knows the industry, and knows how to help us get to the next level in manufacturing. Over 20 years, MCC has taken an interest in the success of Kadon, supporting not only our distributor, LG Evans, but Kadon and the people here with training, with parts support, with application support, and we owe our success to their experience and their commitment to the growth of Kadon.